Okay. And by what means did you come to me, and what was the reason that inspired you to join me?
So I came to you from finding your YouTube channel, and one of the reasons I was inspired to find you and reach out to you and start with you was because of the genuinity that I found from seeing your videos on your YouTube channel and the quick response. The big thing was quick response that I got from you. That gave me more confidence that you know what you're talking about in your responses that I got.
Yeah, thank you very much. How many other people name? How many other people you have taken paid courses in the name of W D Gann before coming to me?
Oh,
With the numbers or
so
name,
many.
if it's possible.
I've mainly read lots of books. I've done a couple of online courses. I even did a course by Michael Jenkins as well,
Okay.
a long time ago. I can't remember how many books I've purchased on Get W D Gann, but none of them are any close to what you've shown me so far.
Yeah, very good, very good. W D Gann methods. We have only used the mathematics. Is this correct?
Yes, that's correct. Only maths.
After learning each method, whenever we chose a contract to test that method on the chart, was the choice of contract or stock was fixed or random?
Random, because I provided them all.
Yeah, okay. As a teacher, is my teaching method appropriate so that a student can learn easily?
Yes, your method is really simple to follow. Really simple.
Thank you. Do you suggest traders to learn the course by me?
Yes, 100%. 100%.
Give your opinion whether it is possible to solve the mysteries of W D Gann without proper guidance or not for the traders. Is it possible or
No,
not?
it's not.
What do you think?
It's not by yourself. No, you need somebody to teach you. You need a mentor. Without a mentor, there's no way you're going to be able to crack W D Gann. Not possible. And I read a lot of books on W D Gann. People who say they've learned and they cracked the code, and no, they haven't. They haven't.
Yes,
So
great.
definitely need a mentor like you.
And last, do you suggest other people for trading only after getting proper knowledge instead of losing billions of money by gambling?
Yes, yes. Learn first, and then trade.
Yeah,
Learn
because
first and
many
trade.
people doing the same mistake
Yeah.
since many decades.
Not only
They
do,
are ready to
learn
billions,
first.
but not.
Yeah.
not
I would suggest
some.
learning from the right person. I've done a lot of courses. I've spent a lot of money, but it's learning from the right person. So I think that's you for me.
Still give me you are just at the first level and you are happy.
Yeah, I am. I am. I'm
What will happen when you will predict the exact top and bottom?
I'll have a party.
Major top and bottom.
It'll be amazing.
The major